Hi, welcome to Kat's Kitchen. Today we'll make sweet potato falafel. All you need is a food processor or a blender to make them, but you could also use a potato masher or a fork. It will just take a bit longer. In your food processor, combine the soft sweet potato cubes, lemon juice, lemon zest, caramelized garlic, tahini, ras el hanout or curry powder, salt, pepper and fresh coriander or herbs, and blend this until it's very smooth and very well combined. Next, add the chickpeas and just pulse. You want to keep some of the structure. Sprinkle some sesame seeds onto a parchment paper and grab an ice cream scooper or 2 tablespoons and form little balls. Sprinkle some more sesame seeds on top and bake them at 200 degrees Celsius, that's 390 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 30 to 40 minutes. Thank you so much for all your comments and personal messages. It feels so great to hear that I inspire people, and I make sure that I respond to all of them, so keep them coming. I always love hearing from you. I hope you've enjoyed this video as well. Lots of love, Kat.